My name is Tia Hansen and I am a parts salesman here at ShopSabre. I am in customer service. We pick up the phone a lot and help customers with any replacement parts they need, any accessories they're looking to buy, such as dust collectors, vacuum pumps, compressors, air dryers, and then everything in between like bearing blocks, dust forks, dust shoe parts, etc. The list goes on. What drew me to ShopSabre is the team dynamic I had from the very moment I walked in the door for my interview. Everyone is super nice here. We all get along great. I wanted to be part of a big, productive team, and I feel like I ended up in the right place. My role contributes to the success of the company because to keep these machines running, you need replacement parts, and we are on the phone constantly helping keep customers running. Their calls don't go unanswered. We're either a phone call, an email, or anything away. Even a Facebook post, we get back to those as soon as we can, getting them what they need in urgent situations, and always looking for a better way to keep things moving in the right direction. My favorite part about working at ShopSabre is the team I get to work with every day. There's not a day that goes by where I don't look forward to coming to work. I love being part of this team. I love doing what we do, and I love keeping our customers going. ShopSabre supports its employees. They are never one to shoot our ideas down when we think something could be changed for the better for our side of things or the customer side of things. If we have any idea that we want to try out or work into our process, we are told to go for it. There is no limitation. We'll brainstorm and just get things moving. I think that how ShopSabre prioritizes innovation is that we have a great group of R&D folk. We have our veteran tech here that is constantly working with the production team to maximize these machines' potential and keep us moving forward in the CNC industry. What I would say to somebody considering a career at ShopSabre is that truly believe you'll love it here. This place is one of a kind. We are one big family with one goal in mind. That is to keep our customers running so that they can continue their businesses. And I think that the dynamic here is just so close-knitted, and it's a wonderful experience.